Hello guys, good evening. I'm here in the Tikno Airport, Tikno International Airport in Cambodia, the new airport. This is the view during at night. Now is 11:40 in the evening. So the airport, the departure and arrival is there. That area. Yeah. So I did not get inside yet. So this is the view during at night, and the airport now doesn't have too much building, but maybe after 5 to 10 years it would be filled with buildings. From here there's so many car parkings outside so that we could have no charge. So we will park outside first before picking up passerby. So that's my
Hello. Bye.
kids, Yochi and Ridaya. So the boy is sleepy now.
Mosquitoes.
They're watching phone while waiting.
Wait.
And there's a mosquito also biting Yochi because Yochi did not wear pants. So
Oh, my hand.
so dark and lonely area. Now they're busy in excavation like that. Maybe they're gonna put some drainage there and build some building. So that's my car. And here's my wife. Say hi. That's our car. But now they are starting to build some building around there, but not much. Like this one and that one. Oh. Now it's cloudy. The moon is hiding behind the clouds. This is me. Shout out to our friends and cab pullers waiting here. This area we are not allowed here, but if there's a police we can move. Yeah, later we're gonna get inside. Okay, good night guys. God bless.